Welcome to Mozart Music, a platform where we examine music, we break down our list and try and get the message behind the song. We give positive feedback, we inspire others, we encourage. Basically, we post non-toxic Zion content. What is up, bro? Oh, we are here. We are go. Hi. I abandoned my earphone. I abandoned my headset. And this, I'm not coming. Yes, yes. Oh, freezing on the Bible. Ingqondo ivela athi ngathi yay. Anywho, sabangena namhlanje mazangwane. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like my videos. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. And also share as well, whatever other platform that you have, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, share a lot on fair too. And also give me recommendation, guys. Please don't forget to give me recommendation now. That's one thing I'll always emphasize. Just please give me recommendation. So, namhlanje we are reacting to one of the oldest churches, man. I honestly do love this church. Igama lesonto izikhova amangesi yona izikhova webathandwa bebakuhulisani. So without wasting you guys time, let's do me.
Webathandwa
You know what I'm loving about this song. Man, I still need to hear what they're saying. So let me log in. It resembles Ingoma Believers. Just like when you listen to that song, then you like the pattern is the same. That's why I'm like, man, the rhythm, nyayas. But I just love that about this Zion. I keep telling people like, bro, the level of creativity as a Zion is insane. Like it's insane, bro. That's why we need what more than music. We need music, my friend. Again, Abatandwa. That sounds fantastic, bro. They're saying ebathandwa bekanenhlanhla yokukholwa kuJesu in English. Yeah, I wouldn't know how to translate it, because if I translate it word for word, it wouldn't make sense. Because in English is beloved, put your luck ebathandwa bekanenhlanhla yokukholwa. Dear beloved, put your luck and faith on Jesus Christ. Pretty much, but still, yeah, put your luck and faith in Jesus Christ. That's what the song says right now. Nah, phone. Hey, where? Hi, bo. Bathandwa, hawu nayi uzibuze. Hey, you ask yourself ukuthi yini? Hey, give me a second, y'all. Ikhova madoda. Asikile. You wanna love a dog? Don't touch, bro. Dog, no, bro. Don't touch. I don't know. I don't know, man. But dog, for years, and it's only now at the age that I'm at that I'm like actively reacting and listening to Ikhova. People been saying, bruv, they are one of the best church singers out there. Legit. And I'm angry at myself for not reacting to more videos as Ikhova. I am going to do that. This is fair. And ngaleso sikhathi dog, I understand ukuthi it's just a portion of them. Now imagine labantu babaphelele. Yo! Madoda. Zikhova Nyanvuma, another one. DJ Khaled. Look at my skin, bro. Look at my skin. And there's someone out there who hasn't discovered Zion music. Are you serious? Oh, come on. Who is I can't even get the second part, but I'm hearing Ukola Nokpato, something. I'm trying to get that. Oh my god. Bruv, like, how do you explain it to somebody? Ne? How do you explain it to someone that as Zion they don't use instruments? How do you explain it to someone ukuthi most of the songs and the singing that you hear, most of it, it's not even a studio session? How do you explain that to somebody? How do you say, yo, bro, the best type of musical instrument they might use is a microphone? It's a Lord, why? Like, why? Like, why? How do you explain that to somebody? How do you say, Chief, the best musical instrument as Zion by Seven Sasayo is a microphone? That is the best musical instrument. That is the most used musical instrument. A microphone. Only. And yet, some way, somehow, with your singing, you are able to produce such a well organized sound good quality sound singing music of like Zion. The word music is consists of instruments. It's music. This is singing. This is I really need to change to more Zion singing because I mean, but yet Baba say Baba's studio, it comes out as a man, that's confused, man. The cover. Swam, I don't know who you is, and I'm gonna find you. And when I found you, I'm gonna say, I'm so angry at myself, man, for not hearing what they're saying. I think what ngukuphatha mele sukuthatha sokuyisa ekhaya le. Zukova, you guys, seriously, man, just how, like, how do you, like, yo, like, sing a Sabasa Sayon, how, like, how? If you do like the content, you know what you have to do. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also don't forget to give me a recommendation and follow me on my social platform. And for sure, I'll always leave the original link of the video in my description below. All of my videos will always have a link to the original video. If you want it, yeah, good description, yam. So yo, in your favorite word of who, me, Street Jupiter, I'm signing out. Adios.